Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias, and today we're going to unbox this Rivendell Elf Commanders box for MESBG and Lord of the Rings. So the back, and of course let's have a look inside. So we've got the captain here, and I like metal models, so I'm really happy that they are in metal. And we've got our banner model here. Needs some cleaning up and bending out, but that's fine. And of course 2 infantry bases here for the models to stand on. Well, that was it for these Elf Commanders for Rivendell forces. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.